TLDR as the integration of robots and artificial intelligence AI becomes more prevalent in workplaces such as warehouses, restaurants, and grocery stores. Concerns are on the rise about what this means for human labor. Some question the repercussions of these technologies on the job market, creating an atmosphere of uncertainty around the future of work. In recent times, the world has seen an exponential rise in the adoption of robots and AI in various sectors. This has fostered a wave of automation, leading to machines taking on tasks traditionally handled by humans. Robots now assist in warehouses, while AI systems manage operations in restaurants and grocery stores. But with this increasing dependency on automated technology, are we looking at a significant shift in the job market? And what could that mean for the human workforce? Automation, although not a new phenomenon, has taken on a new dimension with the advancement of AI and robotics. Robots and AI have become more than just tools, they are collaborators and, in some cases, replacements for human labor. But the question remains, is this a cause for alarm, or an opportunity for evolution and growth? As AI and robotics take on more roles, there's a growing concern about the potential displacement of human workers. Some worry that we might be on the brink of a significant disruption in our workforce. The fear is not unfounded. History has shown us that technological revolutions can lead to job losses, at least in the short term. But is this necessarily a bad thing? Or could it lead to new job opportunities that we haven't yet imagined? There's another perspective to consider. Could it be that AI and robotics might not replace humans, but rather change the nature of work? This shift could potentially free humans from mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more complex, creative, and emotionally intelligent roles. Yet, this positive outlook requires us to question whether our societies, economies, and educational systems are prepared to manage such a transformation. Can we navigate these uncharted waters effectively? While we grapple with these questions, the AI and robotics revolution is not slowing down. This rapid pace of change further underscores the importance of preparedness. There's an urgent need for conversations about upskilling and reskilling our workforce, discussions on policy changes to protect workers, and strategic planning to ensure a smooth transition to an increasingly automated world. In conclusion, the rise of AI and robotics presents a paradoxical picture of the future of work. On one hand, there's fear and uncertainty about job displacement. On the other, there's hope and optimism about a new era of human creativity and innovation. So, as we step into this future, it's crucial that we ask ourselves, are we ready for the changes to come? As we ponder upon this, we would love to hear your thoughts. Do you think AI and robots are a threat to human jobs, or do they represent a new era of opportunities?